Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will construct a flower out of foaming sheet by folding it. We cut our foaming sheet half of the piece. Now we use a glue. On this corner we use a glue and fold it. Fold it. Making a flower is not difficult to all, so don't be afraid to try it. Fold it slowly. Fold our circle. We use a glue. Other some glue. We create this flower in 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. Now our flower is complete now. We use some glue on it and paste it. Now look, it's looking gorgeous. We use these flowers on the card making, box flower, on any other decor. Now our video is complete. Thank you for watching our video.